up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zosha Allah, if you didn't fucking know. So today I have a little mini haul for you guys. Beauty supply store without you guys. I know I said I would bring you along, but next time, bitch, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a super quick haul. I'll show you guys the items that I got. First of all, my beauty supply store has everything, so don't fucking laugh. I don't know if you guys beauty supply stores sell like soap and shit. I always get my soap and like, you know, my sanitary items and all that stuff from my beauty supply. So this is a yogurt and fruit scent. So I think it smells pretty. Oh yeah, it smells really pretty. Ooh, look how nice the bar is because it has little specks of like fruit. Oh, that smells nice. It smells really nice. So yeah, guys, the next thing that I got is she packaged everything so well, separate bags. But yeah, girls, this is, I needed this for my oil for my hair. The next thing that I got is this pretty ass, because I don't even have any blush right now and I wanted to start doing some new looks. So let's open this together. This is from a brand, oh, this is Ashley Lee. You guys have seen me use her makeup before. I get it from my beauty supply. I wasn't super fond of the foundation, but I could see how somebody else might like it, okay? The reason why I didn't like Ashley Lee foundation, just to let you guys know, is because it had SPF in it, and I don't care what anybody says, but my melanated skin, I don't feel like I need to wear sunscreen. And plus, I grew up in the Caribbean, so I'm very accustomed of, you know, the sun rays and everything like that, so... And I hate the smell of the SPF. It just like makes me sick in my stomach. So that's why I didn't like it. But other than that, it was a pretty good foundation. I can't fucking get this open. So that's what it looks like. That's super nice, right? This was $9.99, which is not too bad at all. And there's a little mirror in here, which is great. And then the colors in here are really what got me. So you have a hot pink, which a girl always needs. And then there's like this rouge. This rouge is like a perfect rouge color, you know, like a kind of like a scarlet color. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And then this nudie color is really what I got because I thought I could wear this like more on an everyday basis. It's super pretty, you guys. I like the color. So yep. I got this little travel size got to be boobish because you never know when you need like one for your suitcase. I don't have any travel pants at the moment, but yeah, you always need one of these to travel with. And then I got a tweezers. You always need to have a tweezers. Guys, I got this OG, okay, concealer because I like the concealer that you saw me buy the other day, you guys, but I find that the ones in the tube, they don't have as much fucking product. I don't know if they're like fooling you with the glass, you know, tube, and I don't know, mine seems like it's almost fucking done. I don't use that much, you know, so I got this OG one in color Toffee. I used to use these a while back. I haven't seen them for a while, but I decided to pick them up today. This is from LA Girl, if you guys didn't see. And then I also got from LA Colors this little lippy color. I love nudes, so I love nude, girl. I love like a good nude color. And this is kind of like a pinky nude. So let me show you guys. This is, oh yeah, girl. This is what the color looks like. They didn't have testers, but I could see pretty well what the color looked like. Okay, and then what I liked about it, this is something really good that you can like toss in your bag or whatever. I just thought it was like great. That's the color. And then what's cool about it, I just thought it would be like a really nice you know, toss in your bag item because it has a little gloss over it. So like, number one, okay bitch, if you're out and you wear matte lipstick but then you want to like vamp up your look, you just like, you would just put some lip gloss over it, like whatever you had, you know, you can just put the lip gloss over it. Then you girls, I got Ripped dye for my for that blonde unit that I was wearing last week, a few days ago. So I wanted to dye it scarlet, so I'm going to show you guys a video of me doing that, so stay tuned. I've never done synthetic wig dyeing before, so it should actually be fine for me. But yeah, girl, next I've been wanting these for a little while. I always used to grab them, but I haven't worn them for a while. These are some contacts. These are from a brand called Fresh Look. I get these all the time. They're really good. They're really soft. They don't like scratch my eyes or anything. These are the brand. Okay. And these are the color that I got. I got it in green. So these are the color. Really, really pretty. I'm going to show you guys in another video. Stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of content. But I'm going to show you guys in another video how to apply your contacts. Yeah, girl, she gave me this nice bag, but I didn't get any real hair today, but what I got, I told her just to take the packaging and throw it away, so I don't know what fucking brand this is. I really apologize. So this is the thing, okay? I got a blow dryer. I want to start like blowing out my natural hair like sometimes and wear it like, you know, out and give myself like a little trim and everything. So this is the blah blah blah. This is the comb piece. And then this is the blow dryer itself. What I love about my beauty supply store, they're not in that shit with you, okay? She fucking tested it anyway, so since the box is open, I told her, you know, boom, just give it to me like that. I'm trying to see the brand of it. So yeah, I think the brand was called Turbo Allure Tourmaline Ceramic Iconic. I don't fucking know, but this is what it looks like. I love that it was red and black. I told you guys red is one of my favorite colors. Also is black. I don't know how come this twists, but whatevs. These are for cool and this is for hot. And yeah, it came with a comb piece, so I don't have to be here all fucking day trying to like blow out my hair with the brush. So anyways, I love you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!